So only watch this video if you're really stuck in your Excel exercise, because by just watching this video, you're not going to learn that much. You know that you learn Excel by trying it out yourself in Excel. In this sheet, we're going to try out and discover new functions. Discovering functions is possible here with this insert function button. And then here you can write a description of the function that you're looking for. This existed before Google and before ChatGPT, etc. So of course you can also use those tools to look for the right function. But for the purpose of this exercise, we're going to use the old-fashioned way. Here we need the mode of these four numbers. The mode is the number that appears most frequently. So here we see there's a number that appears twice. The other numbers only appears once. So 934,000 is going to be the mode. Let me make a guess. The function to calculate the mode is mode. And indeed, there is a function that's called mode. So I'm going to use this one. And that's correct. So sometimes the function is that obvious that you just try it out and you get lucky. Like here, we need to calculate the median. And I see median appears here. So I'm going to select it by hitting tab. And then we select the numbers that the function has to be applied to. Enter. Oh, I forgot something. Because we don't want the number, the median of just those four numbers. We also have to add the number 538. And the median, by the way, is the number that you get when you order all the numbers from smaller to larger. And the number that's in the middle, that's the median. Okay, now it is right. Then in column B, we need the absolute value of the numbers that are in column A. So now I'm going to use this function, the insert function. So I'm going to write, I need the absolute value, right? So I'm going to go with go. And then it makes a suggestion. It says, try ABS, and let's see what ABS means. ABS returns the absolute value of a number, which is a number without its sign. That's exactly what we need. So we select this number, A15, and then we're going to copy it down. So I'm going to hit double click on the black cross. So that's a good one. And then we need the standard deviation of the sample of the numbers in column A. So that sounds a bit tricky. So I'm going to look again for standard deviation of the sample. Let's see if it finds something. I see here STDEV, and then here there's also one with an S. It estimates the standard deviation based on a sample. Indeed, that's what we need. We select the numbers and then OK. And that was pretty impressive indeed. And here we see some numbers, but they are actually written as text. So we want to convert that text to actual numbers, so we can do calculations with them. Because normally, if you try to sum two of these, oh yeah, it also works. I didn't say anything. Let's turn them into numbers anyways. So we have to do that with the value formula. So by writing value and you refer to a cell, then it turns a text into a number. Square roots, let's look for it. So I'm going to write square. This is not the thing we're looking for. This is all too statistical. Here I see something that looks like square root. SQRT returns a square root of a number. That's what we need. So it needs the square root of this cell. Okay. And then I'm going to copy it down. Control C. I'm holding Shift and then Control V. In the end, it says if num appears, you answered correctly. Okay, that's good.